1, 2, 3. Wow! Hello everyone, good afternoon. Kumusta po kayong lahat, guys? So, ngayong hapon, guys, we are going to harvest our aubergines because we have a lot of aubergines right now. And there are still lots of buds. So, kung hindi natin i-harvest, guys, as in na yung plant, mag-start na siyang ilagay yung energy niya para as in na maging mature yung ating eggplant. Kaya mas maganda na i-harvest natin para the eggplant itself will keep producing. Okay guys, so let's go. And then maybe I'm going to harvest also our onions or cebollas, guys, or cebolla. Listen. Okay, so okay, Hailey will start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Wow! It's big, huh, Hailey? Show them.
Wait.
So it's big, guys. Look. It's big. This is my palm, and look. Yes, and Hailey's palm. No, here on the ground, anak. Yes. Allah. Is it hard?
Yes.
No, don't take out the skin. Just leave it there. Yes.
Look it.
Yeah, that is enormous, huh? This one is enormous. Wait. Let's show them. That is enormous one. Wow.
Ay, mira.
Look, guys. It's huge. Can you see? Enormous. Wow, that's yellow. Wow, enormous. Wait. Okay. Look, I'm going to harvest this one. Wow. Wow. So satisfying. Yeah. Wow, that's another enormous. Huh? Really?
Yes.
This is a small.
Oy.
Medium. But you have to be careful, okay, anak? This one is small too. Wow.
Aquí este son petites.
It's okay, anak. That's big. Oh my goodness, so nice, so white, no? So
Estan guapos,
beautiful.
guapos.
Yes.
I aquests, això, perquè ho està tallant per aquí, no?
Yes.
Que guapos, i els guardem bé.
Sí, cariño.
Posem aquí sota.
Ha.
Aquí posem taula aquí.
Aquí. Aquí, cariño, sisplau. Hey, perquè corre l'aire. Sí. No?
Aleshores, vols que li posi algun pes aquí sota? Jo perquè aguanti.
No, cal. So, dito ko nilagay yung mga onions ko last year, guys. So, as in na, ubus na siya.
Ajuda amb les cebes un moment.
Ano na lang ito, guys. Yung mga skins niya. Tapos, ito din, guys, yung ginawa ko na braided. Ito lang. Tapos, may isa na natira na medyo tumubo, guys. Yan. Ayan, namatay siya. Pero, as you can see, na naubos namin lahat. Yes, kunti lang, guys, ang nasira. Kasi tumubo sila. Yung iba. Pero, almost lahat, guys. As in na ginamit ko. So, I really had a good harvest last year. And it lasted us for a year as well. Meron din isa, tumubo. Medyo matigas pa, as you can see. Matigas pa siya, so we can still no need to use this. Wala na, as in. So the best, ang secret niya talaga is to cure well and properly, guys, the onions. That way onions will last for 6 to at least a year, guys. Yeah, 6 months to a year, ganon. So kakukuha lang din ni Habi yung na-dry na garlics at itatago din natin yun. We are going to cut the stems because those are hard neck garlics. Yes, and now my husband will help me. Are you going to help me, sweetie?
Okay.
Yes, so my husband will help me collect. And then we will hang here, guys, to dry. Okay?
Agafo els que estan enterrats també,
So we are collecting. Okay, guys, so my husband decided to change the place, guys, and he's going to put under of that shed, guys. No, sweetie, Miss Almich. See, that way when it rains, guys, it won't get wet. That's why because they said that it's going to rain again. So better to secure our harvest. Halfway pa lang kami, guys. Still halfway. And this is the first patch. And in the front garden, I still have another patch in there, guys. So, but because I planted those onions later, so I'm going to harvest those later as well. Lakuta biji la cariño. No. So big, guys. So big. They are so gorgeous. Lakuta biji la cariño. No. So big, guys. So big. They are so gorgeous. I'm thinking to braid this. I'm thinking to braid these onions like last year. My sheep. See? No sé, anak ko. Ambos altras. Maybe we can braid them as fresh, right? Or after.
Mama, will you set the bed?
Al? Bertal cariño?
Dapat, tayo lakutan yung kinupot.
Ja està. Finish, finish. Ja he complert amb l'ostra.
Molt bé, cariño.
Preus, contacte, ja té tot. Quantitat, litres, dosis, tot. És bo mantenir... L'Òscar és un bon contacte.
Sí. Sí. Doncs, amor meu, oregano? Sisplau? Sí, cariño. Today, guys, is my husband's birthday. Wow, that's nice because it's windy. There's air that circulates and dry our onions. So beautiful.
Siamo un dimecres, un mico de setmana. O potser ni un dijous.